Hi everybody, it's Andrea Trank with another back to basic tip for how to stay healthy. So as you know, in the middle of winter, we have more respiratory viruses. COVID is back up again, flu's up. So what can you do on your own that might help you stay healthy? And something I've been doing for more than 30 years is using the Neti Pot. So I thought I'd show you how to do it properly. So you have to get the right salt, Neti salt, and it doesn't have to be this brand, but make sure you get this salt and don't use your regular table salt. You need to use distilled water only, not purified water, not water that you heat up from your tap. It needs to be distilled. And what we do is we heat up the water first, and then this is my designated Neti Pot mixing cup. So I'll pour the water in there, and if you don't want it to be too hot. So I usually bring up some more distilled water that's slightly cooler. I don't want to burn my nose. And then I add the salt, the right amount of salt to it. And it's got a measuring spoon in here so that you're doing it at the exact right amount. And you use the smaller section. And I forgot my spoon to mix it. Shouldn't use your finger to mix it, but my spoon is elsewhere. And then I have a ceramic Neti Pot. Most of them are plastic these days. I pour the water in there about halfway, and Mark's going to get closer to now see me do it. You just tilt your head over the sink like this. And I usually rinse out between each side. And then I do the other side, tilt your head the other way. And it makes a little bit of a mess. That's when you do it over your sink. The first few times, of course, it didn't go that smoothly. And then you've got to blow your nose afterwards. And I left my tissues in here. So make sure you blow your nose afterwards. You can do this any time of day. I prefer doing it in the morning before I go out during the day. Some people like to do it at night before they go to sleep. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any topics you'd like for me to tell you about on what would Andrea do, go ahead and submit them. Have a great day. Thank you.